Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to adjust the contrast of any image Google Pixel mobiles. First of all, open your Google Photos and choose the required image you want to adjust the contrast and tap on the edit option on the bottom side of this image. Here you can see some of options, suggestions, crop, tools, etc. Scroll toward right to reach the adjust option. Here you can see the option contrast. Tap on the contrast option. Here you can adjust the contrast of this image by swiping toward left or right. Here you can decrease or increase the contrast of this image. Choose the required contrast for your image and tap on the done option on the bottom side. Here you can see the option save on the bottom right corner. By tapping save option, you can save this image into your device. By doing this, you can make your images more attractive and beautiful. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.